kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and fit. Now today I will teach you English subject, okay? Now look here all students. Today I will teach you small alphabets. Firstly I request all parents, draw lines and write first line according to PDF in your child notebook, okay? Now children, take your English notebook, take your pencil. Have you taken? Good. So all students look here. See, this is a capital I and this one is small I. Capital I, small I. Okay, I sound is E. I sound is E. Okay. Now look here. Look how to write I. So start from blue line to another blue line. Draw standing line. Then put dots. Okay, this is a small I. Once again revision, write in blue line. Okay, start from blue line to another blue line, standing line. Then dot. Okay, now once again revision. Look here. First standing line, then draw dots. This is a small I. So this letter is very easy. Okay? Okay, very good. You also write down in your notebook. Speak and write I for ice cream, I for ink. Okay? I for iron. So this is a small I. Okay? Now I after which letter? G. This is a capital J. This is a small j. Capital J, small j. Now I after J. Okay, capital J, small j. Okay, firstly I request all parents, you always draw lines and then after you write your child. Okay, write first line like this. Okay, now children look here. Look on the board. I after J. So how to write J in proper line? See, start from blue line. So put your pencil on blue line. Okay. Then draw standing line to downside red line. Then draw curve downside. Okay. Then draw dots. Okay. This is a small j. J sound is Z. J sound is Z. Okay, now once again look here. Start from which line? Yes, blue line. Draw standing line, draw continuously, curve, downside, and dots. Have you written? Okay, very good. Once again look here. Draw first standing line. Then draw curve continuously upside and down. Okay, complete. Have you written? Good. So speak and write J for jump, J for jog, J for joker. Okay, children. How to write? Understood? Start from blue to red line and draw continuously. This is a small j. So understood? I and J. Now I will teach you next letters. Now J after which letter come? K. J after which letter come? K. Which letter come? K. So look here. See, this one is capital K and this one is small k. Capital K, small k. Okay. Firstly, I request all parents draw lines and write first line according to PDF in your child notebook. Okay. Now children, take your book. Okay. Take your pencil. Ready for writing? Okay. So look here firstly. Look carefully how to write small k in proper line. Okay. So start from red line. Draw first standing line. Which line draw? Standing line. Okay. Then Start from here in middle. Slant line. Upside and downside. Okay, so this one is small k. Which letter is this? Small k. K sound is ka. You also speak. Come on, tell me. K sound is ka. K sound is ka. Okay, understood? Come on, tell me. K sound is yes, ka. Very good. Now look here. Once again repeat here. Start from red line to blue line, standing line. First, which line draw? Standing line. Very good. Then slant line upside, slant line downside. Okay. This is a small k. Okay. Complete. You also write down your notebook. Very good. Standing line, slant line upside, downside. This is the small k. Okay. First row, which line? Standing line. This is a small k. Understood? How to write small k? Write complete. Good. So you always remember writing proper line. Okay. K for kite, K for king, K for kitten, K for kids, K for key. So this is small k. This is a small k. Understood? How to write small k in proper line? Very good. Now k after which letter come? L. K after which letter come? L. C. This is a capital A. Sorry, this is a capital L, and this one is small l. This one is small l. Okay, so how to write small l? Start from red to blue, standing line only. This is a small l. This is a small l. Okay, L sound is L. Speak, all students. L sound is L. L sound is L. So only draw standing line. So this one is small l. Okay, this is a very easy letter. Okay, so understood children how to write small l? Very good. Complete first line. Red to blue line. Okay, write L, red to blue line. This is the small l. Okay, you also write down in your notebook according to PDF. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye.